if you're a beginner, this is a wonderful technique for painting leaves. It's really simple. I'm only going to use one colour, Country Olive. It's such a wonderful colour. It's practically the colour of those leaves. So there we are, simple. I'm going to just use this one colour, and I'm going to use the round brush, my number 10 round, and I will use a pointer brush to make the little stems a little bit narrower. You can just use your one brush, but the stems will be a little bit thicker. You just have to be aware of that. And all I'm going to do, this is really simple. There's my leaves. I'm just going to place the brush. So I'm going to just put the brush onto the paper, just place the brush, just place the brush. So they're kind of rounded. So I'm just going to push the brush like that, so that I love this lovely little round shape. So I'm just going to press the brush and then lift it. And then I'm going to join up those little shapes with my little pointer brush. It doesn't have to be exact, but we're just going to do let's do a little stem like that. Just join them up like this. Put the stem going down to here. And then so all I'm going to do is place the brush. Now, I could do a leaf that way or that way. Let's do this one this way. So we're just going to place the brush, and whatever shape we end up with, that's what we're going to go with. Place the brush. Another one here. Place the brush. Back to our little pointer brush here. We'll put a little stems on. Very simply. Just move it a little bit. You can see the lovely shapes. So I'm just going to press the brush down, and then I'll just do another little one here. So the leaves get smaller as they get to the top. To be honest, it doesn't matter when you're practicing just doing leaf shapes. It's all about just using your brush. But you can see just lovely, simple little leaf shapes. Do another one here. Just press the brush, press the brush, press the brush. And if the leaves touch, that is okay. And the bigger I press, the more I press on the brush, the bigger the leaf shape. And yeah, you might get a little blob left, which is what's happening here. This is because this is very smooth paper, and I'm quite happy with that. I don't mind that. Let's just join these up like this. Oh, make sure they do join up. And then we've got another little one here. Big one here, maybe. Another little one here. Maybe one here. Into my pointer brush again. Really simple. Look, lovely shapes. Bring that in. And just think about how there's a little petal gone. I'll just blow that off. So it's going to come down here. And then I'll just do a couple of little big ones here, a couple of big leaves, and maybe one there. And then we'll just finish that off. We'll put this little stem in here, and maybe this little stem here. There we go. How simple was that? And all I did was let the brush do the work for me. Just press the brush onto the paper. Simple little study. Have a go. A round brush, pointer brush, and some Country Olive.